The law offices of Spar Bernstein with 2 locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAW. Hello, ma'am. How you doing today?
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, you're calling from where?
Jamaica.
Go ahead and ask Brad Bernstein your question. This is a first here, starting off like this. Go ahead.
Okay, good morning, Brad. Good afternoon over there. My question is, my mom is a permanent resident of the United States, and she's in the process of filing. She has applied for her green card, for her citizenship, sorry. How long will it take for her if she starts filing for us this year, for me, my kids, and if she needs to file for my husband as well? How long will it take?
She can't file for you until she becomes a citizen if you're married. And then it's going to take, as of the present time, about 7 years, unfortunately.
Okay. If I wasn't married, how long would it take?
About 4 years.
4 years.
Right, but then you would have to get divorced.
Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you.
Also
You're welcome.
Okay, I've got to remind you also to tune into the immigration link on Hot 102 each and every single Monday at 11:30.
I listen to it as long as I get the chance to do so, but sometimes I don't get the chance to do. But I do listen when I get the chance.
Let me ask you a little bit, seeing that we had you on hold for God knows how long, why not keep you here a little bit longer? Do you think it would be wise for Brad Bernstein to work with an entity in Jamaica to help a lot of individuals down there who need more information solidly?
Yes, it would be good if it could happen for people like us who have the need to know more about our rights and how to go about doing immigration things. So it would be good for us out here.
The only unfortunate part, though, is that, for us to do all of this, it would cost. Do you think the people of Jamaica is ready to come up with a cost for this service? Because Brad's got to feed his kids. We all got to feed our families, so there would be somewhat of a cost.
Well, the way our people out here are foreign-minded, sometimes they might do it because right now the embassies out here, I understand, are always filled. So I guess people will go to the extra mile to do so. Some people will do it. Mm-hmm. I'm not a bit hasty. I'm not so hasty. So
why?
They're not there to me.
Why
really?
Do you?
But people will do it.
Why do you think, a dumb question, it's not a rhetorical, dumb on my part, but let's see if we can get a different perspective from you. Why do you think people are so hasty to travel to the United States? I mean, deep down inside of you, what do you personally think?
Because some people feel like the United States is a bag of roses, it's a bed of roses, because that's what some people tell them. But from what I hear about true hard-working people that are up here that comes from down here, like my mother, it's not as easy as people make it out to. You have to work to get whatever you want, just like you would do in Jamaica.
Absolutely.
I love my country. I'm not in any haste to leave my country to go to, uncertainty. But some people think that it might be better off for them up there. I guess each case is different.
So you think a conduit for individuals in Jamaica? What about a lot of people down there that are very proficient and competent in certain areas that would love to work in the United States? Do you think
I think they should get the opportunity if they can't get what they're looking for here, and they can get the opportunity to come over there to do what it is that they're capable of doing and have the experience in doing, and can get probably even more money for what they are qualified to do. I think they should get the opportunity to do it.
Okay. Brad Bernstein, your comment?
There are opportunities out here that some of us are just not taking up, because we're just looking for a quick, easy way to make it so we feel like America is the salvation of all things. I think we need to give more credit to our country.
Wow, well said. Brad?
Yeah, I can't disagree with what she said. I just want to add one thing. People immigrate for economic reasons only.
Okay.
So if the economic situation in Jamaica and the standard of living in Jamaica I mean, the standard of living is decent in Jamaica, and there's a lot of people who do very well in Jamaica, but not everyone does very well in Jamaica.
Right.
If the standard of living increased in Jamaica, my show nobody would listen to. Because nobody would leave. Okay.
They just go visit Disneyland and go back home.
Right, exactly. So, take, for example, the Bahamas. Bahamas is the richest country in the Caribbean. Do you know there's not a lot of people who immigrate from the Bahamas to the United States?
I do know. And Grand Cayman.
Because they are the richest country in the Caribbean.
And Grand Cayman.
Okay.
Right.
You rarely see somebody from the Bahamas, overstaying on their visa and trying to get a green card. It doesn't happen because they have a decent standard of living or a higher standard of living than in Jamaica, unfortunately.
Right.
Okay,
or fortunately for them.
Right. Well, what's your name?
Okay. My name is Gillette.
Gillette.
Yeah.
Okay, you're well spoken. I must say thanks a lot for being here calling all the way from Jamaica to get your question answered and contributing what you see and feel out there. And I wish we could get more people who are of the country to call in and speak with us like this so we get a feel for what's going on down there.
Okay.
Would love to speak with you in the future, but give us a ring, all right?
Okay, then. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Squeeze.
Yes.
By the way, I have Michael Biniakowitz here, who you've been dying to speak to for 2 weeks.
Tell him he needs to call me in the second hour, man. I need to speak with that man because all my friends who have gotten themselves into some criminal issues.
I just want you to congratulate him.
Uh-oh, here we go.
All right.
Guy's always winning, man. When are you going to lose? When are you going to lose, man? Come on.
7-day trial.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 witnesses who said the lady did it.
Yeah.
We're not going to get into specifics of what she did or whatever.
No.
Yeah, she almost cut somebody's head off, okay? Or that's what she was accused of.
Ooh.
All right? And 3 witnesses who said she did it.
Mm-hmm.
Innocent.
She was found innocent.
Found innocent.
Wow.
On all 4 counts. So that's what we talk about.
I hope you're not defending OJ, man.